Good morning, everybody. Now we will go towards the modern periodic table. In short, MPT. In previous period, we already discussed on the laws discovered by Dobereiner, then Newland's octave and Mendeleev's periodic table. These scientists focus on atomic mass number. Don't forget that all these three scientists focus on atomic mass number. According to Mendeleev's periodic table, we already discussed on that topic. All physical and chemical properties of an element is based on their atomic mass number. That means Mendeleev's also focus on atomic mass number of an element. But in these modern periodic table, scientist Moseley, which is discovered modern periodic table, he focus on atomic number. Atomic number that we will discuss. We already discussed on that topic yesterday. Atomic mass number is the important for this modern periodic table. According to Moseley, all physical and chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic number. Only difference is that in between Moseley and Mendeleev's. According to Mendeleev's, all physical and chemical properties are periodic function of their atomic mass number. But according to Moseley, all physical and chemical properties are periodic function of their atomic numbers. You better understood now. Moseley is focused on atomic number. And with the help of this atomic number, we are going to study now modern periodic table. For this, before we going towards the modern periodic table, we already discussed on atomic number. Second, valence electron. Third, number of the cells. Fourth, valency. These terms are very important when we start the modern periodic table. That already we discussed on this topic. Before we start modern periodic table, if you see on page number 23, modern periodic table is classify into rows and columns. That means, according to Mendeleev's, horizontal rows called as periods. That I already told you that you remember the word HP. H belongs to horizontal, P belongs to period. In short, we'll have to remember HP. That means horizontal rows called as periods. There are 1 to 7 periods. How much? 1 to 7 periods in modern periodic table. Second important thing, vertical columns. If you see, these are the horizontal rows. One to 7. If you numbering 1 to 7 horizontal rows present in modern periodic table, that we call periods. You better understood. Horizontal rows. Then second thing, vertical columns. Vertical columns like this. You see the vertical column. If you numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 18. That means there are 18 vertical columns. These vertical columns called as a groups. या दोन महत्वाच्या गोष्टी आल्या. एक हॉरिझॉन्टल रोज आलं मॉडर्न पिरियॉडिक टेबल मध्ये, ज्याला पिरियड असं म्हणतात. ते 1 to 7 आहेत आणि 18 वर्टिकल कॉलम्स आहेत. म्हणजेच देयर आर 18 ग्रुप्स and 7 periods. I think you better understood. लक्षात घ्या, हेच कन्फ्यूज करणार आहे. हॉरिझॉन्टल 7 पीरियड्स आहेत आणि 1 ते 18 वर्टिकल कॉलम्स आहेत. That means there are 7 periods and 18 groups include in the modern periodic table. Who discovered? Moseley discovered. What is definition or what is the rule of modern periodic table? That Moseley states that all physical and chemical properties of an element is a periodic function of their atomic number. And these are the important things. Now, when you got these 3 points, laws, periods and groups, then we will start the next part, that we will see in details. Now, before start modern periodic table, we are going to select only the 20 elements from modern periodic table. First 20. And for that, we'll have to select upper part of the modern periodic table. And that upper part, which is contains 4 periods. 4 periods. If you select first 4 periods, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, everybody know the first element. Which is the first element? That's right, hydrogen. Fill up first column with hydrogen. Everybody better know. Then you remember Dobereiner-Strides, and I told you the one of the name, that you remember or not. One of the triads, that is, I told you that lithium, sodium and potassium. Lithium, sodium and potassium. That is, I told you that you remember the word Linak. For first 4 periods, we will have to fill with the Dobereiner-Strides. Lithium, sodium and potassium. Then hydrogen and helium. Which is belongs to the first periods. Hydrogen and helium. Now, there is no any elements in between three to 12 groups. If you count the numbering, or if you numbering the vertical columns, you know that there are 18 groups. If you start the numbering 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is no further elements from 2 to 12 in the groups. That means we will have to no need to show the groups from 3 to 12. That means remember, again we will have to draw the three elements in the eighteen groups: helium, neon, and argon. Now connect lithium, barium, boron, then carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. In these periods, you better understood, you better know the Newland's octave. If you start from lithium, hydrogen, lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine is the eighth element. If you see, it is a Newland's octave. If you start from this at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8th hydrogen and fluorine. तुम्ही न्यूलँडच्या ऑक्टिव्हला स्टार्ट केला हायड्रोजन पासून, तर पहिला आपल्याला पिरियड जो आहे, दुसरा पिरियड आपल्याला भरता येईल. सेकंड पिरियड यू कॅन फिल with the help, first period with the help of Roberanstride. Second group we start fill with the second element that belongs to Newland's octave: lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. Now second period start fill from barium, magnesium, and calcium. Now start from 13 groups: aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon. Now you better understood there are 20 elements select from the upper part of the modern periodic table. 1 ते 20 पैकी ज्या मूलद्रव्याचे अनुक्रमांक 1 ते 20 आहेत, if you start the numbering, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. This is called as mini periodic table. If you remember first 20 elements which possess atomic mass number 1 to 20, hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, barium 4, boron 5, like this. If you arrange up to calcium, then it is easy to study. आज मी एवढाच महत्वाचा पाठ तुम्हाला देतोय. उद्यापर्यंत हा मिनी पिरियॉडिक टेबल आपल्याला भरता आला पाहिजे, आणि हा ज्याला भरता येईल तोच मॉडर्न पिरियॉडिक टेबलच्या सगळ्या मूलद्रव्याचा अभ्यास व्यवस्थित करू शकतो. आणि म्हणून सर्वांनी हा मिनी पिरियॉडिक टेबल कसा तयार करता येईल त्याचा विचार करायचा. you must remember first 20 elements which possess its atomic number. In modern periodic table, Moseley arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic number. You remember that up to calcium, you have to fill up this mini modern periodic table. Then we will see tomorrow in details. It is very important to study, to draw the structure in your book tomorrow, and then it is easy to study. I think you better understood. Have a good day. Listen that you'll have to come tomorrow along with this mini periodic table. That's right. Have a good day. Thank you.